Alright, Jenna. Let's get you. Jenna. Beautiful mistakes. I usually find my iPhone app.
Losing it, like, bro, like, I was like starting to panic a little bit because I was starting to walk up and I'm like, you can't get up here.
Nah, dude, we're almost out.
I'm gonna go panic, man. I'm starting to panic a little bit right now.
It's okay. Kenny's here.
There was a lady who was really stuck and I felt she was like crying out for help and I felt really bad.
You were unbinding?
What?
You were unbinding?
Yeah. Oh, but I can't even get my binding on.
Hold on, here. I'll be down there. Just stay still. Stay still. Like, get in one place and stay still. Oh, okay. Hey.
Sorry. Do you see that fucking log right there?
Yeah, I did. I was like, that thing
I
looks
had to
gnarly.
climb it, bro, because... Sorry. Have you gone out this way?
Huh? No.
I don't know if I'm going out of bounds.
You're going good, but we might hit a creek, so we gotta be careful.
Oh, no.
Well, I think we're good, actually.
Sorry, I really tried to help.
Okay, we're
I
good,
think I
right?
got her out of the hole, but then she fell again. I was like, I can't stay longer.
Yeah, she'll be okay.
She had a guy with her.
Do you want me to come back and check on her?
She had a guy with her.
Oh, she'll be fine then. Kind of done?
What was he doing?
Alright.
I was like, girl, I don't know if, like, this is the end. I don't know.
We're gonna go right through that way, okay?
That's what I was thinking, down.
Okay? I'm gonna try to do a 180 to get out of this.
Sorry, thanks for finding me. I was gonna cry.
Alright. I'm just gonna get in there, okay?
Get down there?
Yeah, let's just get down there. Huh?
Tracks?
We'll be okay.
As long as there's tracks, right?
We're good. Right?
Sorry. I just kept going lower and lower.
We're good. I know, dude. It's hang left, man. You gotta get out of here. We were close though. The run is right above us. I think so. I think this is the rabbit hole. Yep. This is the rabbit hole, yep. Actually, what the fuck is this? I don't know what this is.
Huh?
I don't know if this is the rabbit hole, but there's tracks though. I got you.
Are we crossing the lip?
No, we're good.
I got it. Maybe we should just climb.
No, we're good. Yeah, I can check the map for us.
I'm gonna panic though.
Okay, we're in Still Creek.
Fucking
Uh,
how do we get out? You can't get out.
we just keep going, and
Does
we'll
it
hit
connect
West
out?
Leg.
It connects out?
Huh?
It
It does.
You promise?
Huh? What?
I think I'm gonna have a panic attack.
Why? Good.